Vocational Qualification Level 5. Information and Communication Technology. Lecture 01. Java Programs. Introduction to Java Programming. Software Programming. Module Code. K72C001M04. Java Programs. Java Programming Examples. In this section, we will learn how to write the simple program of Java. We can write a simple Hello Java program easily after installing the JDK. To create a simple Java program, you need to create a class that contains the main method. Let's understand the requirement first. The requirement for Java Hello World example. For executing any Java program, the following software or application must be properly installed. Install the JDK. If you don't have installed it, download the JDK and install it. Set path of the JDK, bin directory. http://www.java.com/how-to-set-path-in-java. Create the Java program. Compile and run the Java program. Creating Hello World example. Let's create the Hello Java program. Class simple. Public static void main, string args. System.out. Println, Hello Java. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Creating Hello World example. Save the above file as simple. Java. To compile. Javac simple. Java. To execute. Java simple. Output. Hello Java. Compilation flow. When we compile Java program using Javac tool, the Java compiler converts the source code into bytecode. Creating Hello World example. Parameters used in first Java program. Let's see what is the meaning of class, public, static, void, main, string, system.out, println. Class keyword is used to declare a class in Java. Public keyword is an access modifier that represents visibility. It means it is visible to all. Parameters used in first Java program. Static is a keyword. If we declare any method as static, it is known as the static method. The core advantage of the static method is that there is no need to create an object to invoke the static method. The main method is executed by the JVM, so it doesn't require creating an object to invoke the main method. So, it saves memory. Void is the return type of the method. It means it doesn't return any value. Main represents the starting point of the program. String args or string args is used for command line argument. Parameters used in first Java program. System.out. Println is used to print statement. Here, system is a class, out is an object of the print stream class, println is a method of the print stream class.